This is the FORTHiQ Red Plus Knee Massager, a cordless wearable massager designed for comfortable use on knees, elbows, or shoulders. It features gentle heat and red and infrared light, combined with 5 adjustable intensity levels, so you can choose the setting that feels right for you. I like that the design wraps securely around the joint, staying in place while still allowing you to move or relax hands-free. The built-in lights are evenly distributed across the brace, and the heat adds a warm, soothing feel during use. Everything is controlled through simple buttons, making it easy to adjust settings without hassle. Since it's cordless, you're not tied to an outlet, which makes it convenient to use at home, at your desk, or while resting. The adjustable straps help it fit different joints comfortably, whether you're using it on your knee, elbow, or shoulder. The materials feel soft against the skin, and the brace is easy to put on and take off. This massager is also FSA and HSA eligible, which can be a nice bonus for those using flexible spending accounts. If you're looking for a wearable massager with customizable intensity, heat, and light features for everyday comfort and relaxation, the FORTHiQ Red Plus is a practical option to consider.